Last year, in November, I think I pre-ordered a Wyze Watch, and it was supposed to come in March, and they put it off to April, and then I got surprised today. It arrived. I didn't realize until I checked my tracking email, it was actually sitting on my front porch. So I was really happy with that. So today I thought I'd do an unboxing video. This is the box here. Looks like it does sleep tracking, customizable screens, waterproof. It's the 47. It does a heart rate, women's health tracking, and blood oxygen. So I've already peeled the little sticker off here. See if I can get in there. It's got a little tab. You just pull it up, open it up. Pull it out. There's nothing left in there. Looks like this slides off somehow. No. Take this out somehow. Oh well. This is the watch. That's what the back of it looks like. I don't know if you can kind of see in there. Try to show it. If I undo the band, it'll show better. There we go. There's the back. It's got a bit of a raised bubble there with it. Looks like some sort of sensors on there. I don't know. Wyze Watch 47. There's a charging cable. It appears to be magnetic. And there we go. Charging cable sticks right on there with magnets. Looks like it has a manual in here, if I can get it out. Quick start guide. I haven't turned it on yet. Let's try turning it on. I don't know if it's charged or not. It says it comes fully charged, so let's give it a try. How do we set it up? I gotta download the Wyze app. You know what? I'm gonna go do that, then I'll come right back. Okay, so I've never done this before. This will be the first time I've installed this watch, so I really don't know what I'm doing. So let's see. I guess we have to turn the watch on. I think you have to do that at some point. It doesn't say that in the instructions. Let's see what happens if I just hold the button. Oh, something happened. Okay, there's the QR code. So what do we do with that? Okay, add new device. Let's see, right there maybe? No. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Add device. There we go. Lifestyle maybe? Wyze Watch 47. Allow. Oh no. Come on, wake back up. Well, so tip to anybody, you gotta be fast when you do this. There we go. On focus. There it goes. Pairing. All right. Looks like that's done. Tell us a bit about yourself. I don't need to show you that. We'll come back. So I entered my information, and now it's doing an upgrade. You can see there. This is real time. I'm making you sit through this just like I am. Maybe I'll speed it up. Yeah, we'll pause and come back when it's done. Okay, it finished upgrading. Now let's see what we do. It says steps. We're done. Enjoy your Wyze watch. Let's look at some of the functions. Okay. No data. O2 sensor. I don't have it on yet, so it's not going to measure anything. I don't want to try again. I don't know what that is. Cycle tracker. No, that's not for me. Sleep. No sleep data. Not running today. Oh, great. How do I get back out of here? Stop. End of exercise. And it's like a stopwatch timer. Alarm timer. Settings. Overall, I'd say the screen looks pretty good. I mean, this watch was $20 plus shipping and tax to my door came to $27. So I can't say it's too bad for that price. It's pretty nice. Okay, the shortcut to something. I guess you set it up. And weather. As always, it's rainy here. I'm in Washington State. Yeah, I think it was not a bad little watch. I'll see how it looks on my wrist here. It's a good fit for me, I guess. It's not too big. It's not too... Well, it is kind of thick, I guess. I mean, I don't know if you can tell on the camera there, but when I put it on my wrist, it sits a bit off my wrist. I think I would have liked it if it sat a little flatter on my wrist. But, again, it was $20. What can I expect? It's smooth on the back. I'm not feeling any kind of sharp edges or anything that might dig in. The strap, it looks pretty durable. I guess these little things here are to get it to release, maybe. The strap is soft. It's pliable. It doesn't feel stiff. It's still cold from when it came in from the package. Overall, I like it. I think I'll wear it for a while and see what happens. Again, that's the Wyze Watch 47, and that concludes this video.